So this happened after I installed CorelDraw 13. Seems like it causes this. So as you can see here, this doesn't work. Just makes like a loading circle. Time, notifications. Start button doesn't work. Like this start button works because this is like a classic shell extra feature, but like the start on the keyboard doesn't work. Also, any apps like photos, all of those things just crashes after it opens. And like with like this, for instance, just opens, crashes. So what fixes this if you is go here, register edit, and it's this one at the top, permissions. And as you can see here, everything is gone. It's supposed to look like this. This one, administrators, is the ones you need to add. So you go there, permissions, add, advanced, find now. And here's this first one, full access. Then other one is wait, let's go back. Oh, I forgot. So this one we added. Then we just need to add administrators. Okay. Everything is back to normal. Start button is working. Yeah, and that's how you fix that.